Good afternoon, sir. This is Jahnavi from 2nd CSC in Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology. For CA assignment 2, my topic is comprehensive human goals. So first, let's look at the presentation. The outline basically consists of the topics that I'm gonna cover in the presentation. That is, first we'll look at the introduction, and then we'll get to know what are the basic needs and the survival, healthcare and well-being, education and knowledge, and how these are important in human goals, economic stability, social connections and community, environmental sustainability. So these are the major topics that I'm going to cover in my presentation. The introduction to the comprehensive human goals. So human goals basically consist of fundamental aspirations that guide individuals and societies towards their goals. Next, the goals are often linked to the well-being and development of both individuals and communities. So basically, the goals are not only dependent on individuals, so it also dependent on the communities and the society that we are living in. Next, we have understanding these goals. So by understanding these goals, we can help in creating policies and achieving a better quality of life. So next, basic needs and survival. So this basic needs and survival is the most priority thing that is in the human goals. So this basically means that meeting basic needs such as food, water, and shelter. And by ensuring this basic needs and survival, it is very much essential for individuals to pursue higher aspirations and goals. And also by addressing these needs from the foundations for a healthy and productive life. So here when we look at the pyramid that I have presented here, so basic needs and survival has the major top priority, and well-being. So basically health is a major, very much important component in everyone's life. So by being healthy we can achieve our goals and put as much as effort we can. So this health is a critical component of human goals as it affects every aspect of life, as I mentioned. So access to healthcare and mental well-being are very much important for personal development, and promoting a healthy lifestyle contributes to increased productivity and longevity and a lifetime satisfaction. So these are the basic things that come under health and well-being. When we look at the education and knowledge, so we all believe that right education brings the right perception of the world. So by this right education, individuals can impart their skills and knowledge necessary for personal growth. And this lifelong learning fosters adaptability and resilience in a rapidly changing world. So I have given a picture that represents the benefits of lifelong learning. So this basically says that opens minds and increases wisdom and nurtures curious minds, builds new skills, improves those who already have, and improves memory and increases self-confidence. So basically we have most of the benefits come from the lifelong learning. So lifelong learning, we all individuals need this lifelong learning to basically survive in this modern world by the current changes around us. And to access to quality education is essential for social mobility and economic development. So to know what is the economic stability. So this economic stability actually allows individuals to meet their basic needs and pursue personal ambitions. So by being rightly educated, we get how we can benefit from the economic stability. So every individual should be economically stable. So then only the strong economy contributes to the overall society well-being and reducing poverty levels. So individuals as well as overall community should be economical stable. So by creating job opportunities, fair wages is crucial for enhancing quality of life. So India is still known as developing country, but by being economically stable, we can develop and community. So when we look at the social connections and community, so we all a basic human goal or basic human need is emotional support. So every human aspires to emotional support, as we all are emotionally dependent on each other's, might be on our family or our friends. So by building this strong social connection is very much important for emotional support and personal fulfillment. And when we look at the community, community also plays an important role by enhancing a sense of belonging and collective responsibility. And healthy relationships contribute to overall mental health and social well-being. So these are the main things that come under social connections and community. So environmental sustainability. So this environmental sustainability basically focuses on preserving the plant for future generations. So as we are developing many technologies and many factories, we are basically destroying our own earth. So we have to preserve, or we have to save the planet from planet earth from our damages. So this environmental sustainability basically preserves the plants for future generations, and sustainable practices are essential for maintaining biodiversity and natural resources. A healthy environment directly impacts human health and quality of life. So basically it produces more oxygen, and with more oxygen we can easily breathe, and our mental health will be very much of place. Personal development and self-actualization. So one of the human goals, personal development is one of the human goals which encourages individuals to reach their full potential. So this personal development is an individual thing which comes in ourselves. So and when we look at the self-actualization, involves pursuing passions, creativity, and personal interest. Fostering self-growth leads to greater life satisfaction and fulfillment. So this personal development and self-actualization basically helps us to get our satisfaction and fulfillment in whichever work we do. Next, we look at the social justice and equality. So basically the social justice and equality, these two terms or these two things plays a major role in any society, because achieving social justice is crucial for creating inclusive societies where everyone has a voice, which means a society where everyone can express their thoughts is a social justice. And when we come to the equality in opportunities and rights is fundamental human goal. We all know, and we all from the childhood we are learning that equality in opportunities is the fundamental goal. So it actually promotes fairness. And when we come to addressing systematic inequalities is essential for a harmonious and just society. So here I have given a pie chart that actually represents the advantages of social justice. Next, thank you for listening patiently. Thank you.